Hey, have you been looking at how to start a Skool community so you can actually create the community and monetize it and be able to offer your courses to your students? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to review what Skool is. I'm going to tell you the pros and cons of it and how you can actually create and set up a community that is very secure and beneficial for your clients and the people that actually look at your courses. So let's get into it. First and foremost, Skool is a community that is pretty easy to set up, and you can create a free account, but then you get a 14-day free trial, and it costs $99 per month per community. So if you have multiple different communities in here, it's going to cost you $99 per community for each community, right? So keep that in mind when you create a community in here. And this is kind of an alternative to a Facebook group, right? Because you have everybody out in the open and things like that. And it was intended to be a place to where people could have everything all in one place. But see, what happens is if you have multiple different people inside your community and they're learning from your courses, then they see other courses as well, and they see other things on this platform as well. So it's not very secure in that way because you can have a lot of your members go to other platforms and other courses that people have, and you can potentially lose a lot of your students that you have, and they will see other people, and other people will start to write them messages and DM them within the platform, right? So that's one thing that you will have within this community is if you create a course and you have something on this platform, there's not very good security when it comes to creating your courses, right? So it's good for things like, gamification and things like that, and to have things within one place when it comes to this community. But it's kind of like Facebook in a way because you can see all the groups and people will write you and things like that. The difference between Skool and Facebook is Skool is geared more towards course creation and things like that. But it's very bland when it comes to how your courses actually look and things like that. So what I would suggest for you is when you're creating a community, first and foremost, you want to have your members secured, right? So you want to have them secured, and you want them to be able to, learn, so you can actually monetize your platform, and you can have a follow up with your people. So there is email capabilities within Skool, but you cannot retain your clients by marketing. So if you're trying to bring more people to your course, you can't really do any marketing within here in that way because there's no capture pages or no ways to actually do your marketing and course creation. What I would suggest is doing like a crash course like this right here, to where they come to this platform and they log in. So this was something that was just created for me by my web guy, and it looks a lot nicer than I could do myself. So I just have my web guy do everything for me. So if you come over here, you can have something like this, and we have templates that are already ready to go in here, and then you have a members area to where they can come into, and this is something that I have to do. So you have your placeholders to where they can learn different things within here, and this is my members area that I'm building out for people, and I'm showing you behind the scenes before I actually create it. Everything is very easy to use. It's drag and drop, and it's really cool because this funnel builder tool, you can help people to manage their offers. So if you're helping people create courses, or you're showing people how to create courses, this is all white label, right? So with Skool, you can't pretty much create your own course and give it away, right? So you can't help people to create courses in that way, right? Because it'll be branded to Skool. It's not branded to you. So having your own branding when it comes to your products is very important. And you could come in here and you could help the people that you work with to be able to manage whatever they're doing. So if you look right here, I work with these people and helping them to manage their funnels and their offers. And it's really cool in that way because it's very easy to use. And you can create your course off here and it will be secured and nobody will be able to have access unless they actually sign up with you and they pay. And you can have your payment methods in here, like this. And if you want pages for your courses, they're already created in here. You just come down here and you go to page, and then you can have all these templates to be able to create very nice pages, to be able to do your marketing, to be able to capture your leads, to be able to do all that. You could create memberships, you could create your own products, you can have whatever you want in here. You could create your sales pages. This is made for marketing. So if you're trying to market your business online and create your own courses, you can use this funnel builder tool for only $25 per month and have unlimited funnel builders within here. So if you want to have multiple different courses in here, we don't charge you anything more for having it. So you have the funnel builder tool for $25 per month. We pay you $20 per month for anybody who uses this platform. So pretty much this is better than free because we're paying you to use our platform to build your courses off of, and you get paid $20 per month per sign up for anybody who uses it. So if you know other business owners, if you know other marketers, if you know other people who actually want to make money with their platforms, you'll get $20 per month for people just using this, and then you could charge them for your course, whatever you're charging them, right? So you could charge them, you could have a free course, you could charge them, let's say $100 per month for your course, whatever the case is, and you could always add content to this. So this way, you'd make $120 per month for people just having the funnel builder tool if you charge them $100 per month for your course creation. And the cool thing about it is you're not doing this yourself. You have templates in here and things to use to make it look very nice. So this way you have professional graphic and web design work within here, right? So you don't have to design it all out yourself, and things will look a lot nicer when it comes to you doing your marketing. And the cool thing about this is we show you how to use the funnel builder. We show you how to create your own pages. We show you how to set things up. We show you different things like how to get your domain, how to do all that. And like I said, you could have unlimited funnels within here. So if you have multiple different courses, it's still only going to be $25 per month, and you get paid $20 per month in residual income. And we have training in here. We show you how to create your funnel pages. We show you how to optimize for mobile. We show you how to create multiple funnels. We show you how to create a membership page. We show you how to create your own offers. Like right here's how to create that stuff, how to share your funnels. So anything you create in here, you would learn how to do it, and we would be able to help you when it comes down to that stuff, right? And you also get a discount on Zoom when you sign up as well. You could get an enterprise account for like $13 per month. So we have things in here to help you as a leader or somebody who is doing coaching, right? This is more geared towards coaching. And the cool thing about it is, you could come in here and you get, premium. We show you premium traffic strategies. So we show you how to actually do marketing. We show you how to do different things, which you should do before you actually get traffic. And then we show you free strategies. So we show you things like, how to launch your business, how to invite people, how to get unlimited leads with Facebook, how to follow up with your leads, how to do short form video, how to do YouTube ranking for SEO, how to get more people to your YouTube videos, how to do free methods on Facebook, how to do podcasting, how to do all this stuff, right? So this is information that you can use to be able to grow your community when you're doing your marketing and course creation. And so I'd highly suggest taking a look at this part. You get 2 weeks free of this. So with these, three right here, we have the goal setting app to help you to stay on track, which helps you to have a daily routine every single day. You could put down your goals and things like that. The funnel builder tool, which is you're going to create your courses off of. Then your premium is all about your traffic strategies that you're going to use to be able to grow your community. With this, it's $35 and you get 2 weeks free of the coaching. And we also have AI tools in here as well that help you to, write your content, and you write your prompts in here as well. So this is a very high quality writer. So it's the top of the line, and we pay for the tools so you don't have to, and everything like that. And then when you go down here, you also get access to our image creator, which we help you to write prompts right here, and then it's going to come back with questions of what you want for your prompt, and then it's going to create the exact prompt that you want. So when you're creating graphics and stuff, a lot of times people don't know how to create prompts, so they use other people's prompts. You could create your own prompts, and it helps you to come out with the script for the prompts, and then it comes down here in the prompt creator right here, and you could put your images in here and save your images like I have right here, or you could upload images, and it will create the exact prompt that you want for the image that you want, right? So that's what this does. It will help you to create very nice prompts and images for your courses and things like that, so you don't have to do all this stuff yourself. And it's really cool because with this, you can create anything on here. You could have your capture pages, you could have your courses, you can have your anything that you're giving away to people. You can have all that in one, right? So if you want to get your hands on this and you want to learn more about this, then you're going to want to click on the second link below this video. It's going to take you to a page that will show you how you can earn 80% commissions, and how we set up everything to have it done for you to where it will actually help you to generate results. We have your marketing already ready to go for you. It's going to be the second link below this video. The first link is going to give you more information on what to actually do, how to actually build and grow your business online. The second link is going to show you how to create your own, community and to be able to make money from it. All right, so I hope you got value from this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And if you have any questions or concerns, leave them below in this video as well. I will answer any comments that are left below this video. Also, make sure you get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link below to get into the Facebook group, where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. Also, there's going to be a link to my traffic store. If you've been looking at traffic to get to your funnel and you want to make more sales, you could check that out as well. And again, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss when I upload new videos. All right, thank you for watching, and bye for now.